Greatest bag, particularly key, the votes of all the zones. So the total accredited voters is 372. 372. The total vote casted. The total vote casted. The total vote casted is 3.
I have waited patiently. Stand up, stand up, stand up. For the champions, stand up, stand up, stand up.
The leadership of NANS has done our election, and the new leadership has come on board, which elected me, Akinteye Afeez, Bapti, a student of Olusegun University, Okitipupa, as the new president of NANS after the completion of the tenure of our leader, our boss, Odusola Oladoja. And this is the time for us to continue in the good work our leader has done in the organization. He has reformed this organization, and I can say that in the history of NANS, this is the best convention we are seeing. A convention that there were no issue, no crisis, no gunshot, no fight. It was like carnival-like convention, and to even make it interesting, all the opponents, all the contestants against me have congratulated me. They congratulated me already. So it means this time around, it is one NANS. We are united as ever, and we will continue in this way to make sure NANS remain as one. So thank you very much.
New era.
It is a blessed era.
Blessed era.
Blessed era.
So we are saying that tomorrow nobody will come out.
Nobody, even heaven and everybody on earth attest to the fact that NANS has elected a new leader today. And in the coming days, our activities will hit the streets, we will hit our campuses, and people will know that yes, we are here to continue the good work of our leader.
We shall stand.
Thank you. I think today is one of my happiest days on earth. I want to give thanks to God Almighty for giving me the opportunity to conduct a free and fair election in the history of NANS. And I'm so happy that the person that I match is one of the people after my own heart that I wish he can take over from me, because I so much believe in his capacity, and that is why I gave him the support, and I'm happy he won the election. And that is why we're here today, to congratulate him and to wish him well. I wish him to do well more than I do, because I know he has the capacity. I pray God should strengthen him, more wisdom, knowledge, and understanding at the sphere of NANS leadership.
Let